They just warned Stearns while I was looking at it.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Stearns County, including the following locations: St. Wendel and St. Stephen. This includes Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 146 and 147.
How does it include St. Cloud then?
In between mile markers 154 and 157. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home,
Well, agreed. Like Henry.
move to the closest substantial shelter and
Hooks have opened there.